right, my friends, we have learned how to count to 20. And that's pretty easy. Let's count to 20, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Easy schmeasy. But we're going to start working, and we've even learned how to write our numbers to 20. We learned how to write 11 and 12 and 13 all the way to 20, haven't we? Hello? Are you awake? Good. So look right here. Let me move this here. And look right here. Excuse me, it is my turn. I need your eyeballs right here. Thank you, Mark. Be still so Carolyn Grace can see. Do you remember, we have talked about these sticks one other time, but it hadn't been a lot. So I'm going to help you remember. When you see these sticks like this, you don't have to count every one of those little bitty squares. Somebody raise your hand and just guess how many little bitty squares are in those sticks. Addie? 10. Yes, it's kind of like a 10 frame. Watch what we can do. We don't have to count them all. We can say 10, 20, 20, yes, 21. Let's look at this one. 10, 20, 21, 22. Watch this one. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now look, these are all ones. These are 10s. These are all ones. So there's 10, 20, 20. Good. And here's this one. No, wait. Not 30. Is that a group of 10 over there? What?
No.
Look, this right here. Is this a group of 10? No. If it was 10, it would be a big old block. But it's not 10, so let's count them. We have 10, 20, 21. And I want to show you something else. Also, as we're writing these numbers, we said that 20 is the father of the 20 family. You see what comes first? What? No. What's this number right here that comes first? A 2 comes first in every number in the 20 family. So look, we have 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You see what I'm talking about when I say the 2 comes first? I need you to sit up, please, and pay attention. That's 2 for you, sir. So, that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about 21 to 25. And when you write them, look, you write 21. Can you hear it, the 1, when you say it? 21. And when you write 22, you write 22, 23, 24, 25. See, those you can write just like it sounds. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I see some people sleeping. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. I hear about 5 people.
Yes,
Okay, good. Look right here on the road with a ducky. I want Isabella. I'm going to let you help me count. If you fall out of your chair again, sweetheart, we'll take your chair away for a minute. Be still. So look, Isabella, help me count. This is what? It's a block. So what is it? No, stay right there and do it. How many are those? 10. So there's 10. How many's here? 20, 20, 22. So you have to circle 22, and then you have to write 22. Now remember, when y'all write, make it a little neater than mine. My fingers, the board does crazy things. It won't let me write it exactly like I need to. But you make yours beautiful. What sound? Write me 22, please.
Did we go ahead and do what?
Please do. Go ahead and do the ducky. Please do the ducky. Do the ducky. Are we ready for the next one? Okay, I'll give you 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's enough. All right, here comes the row with the heart. I would love it if Cece would help me count these.
10, 20, 21.
Yes, ma'am. This is 21. And then you're going to write 21. 21. Good job. James, write me 21. No, we're not coloring. Just write 21. All right, here comes the next one, the row of the clover. And I'm going to let Carolyn Grace help me. Help me count, Carolyn Grace. Wait, just the first one. 10, 20, 20. 23, and this one is 23 because it has a 2 and a 3, so I'm going to write 23. Let me give the board some coffee, that might help.
Yay, coffee! Yay, we're gonna coffee. I'm done.
I didn't ask you, but I'm proud you are. No ma'ams and sirs. Price, help me do this one. Help me count.
10,
Nope, not 30. There's only one right there, so we said 10, 20, 21, 2, 23, 24. You know what? That's made it worse. Hold on just a second. Y'all write 24 while I'm trying to see if I can do better. There we go. 24.
Which one are we on?
The one you just counted
The
there.
green one? Are we on the green
We're
one?
on the row with the butterfly.
We're on the row.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you help me erase this?
Just you erase it the best you can, because sometimes erasers don't work all the way, and then you can do correctly on top of
I missed
it. Just the best you can is fine. Now, while we're doing this, I'm going to borrow Cece's paper and take a picture of the bottom, so you'll give me just a second. And I will erase the board. I know it looks crazy. Give me just a second.
It does not look crazy.
It looks silly to me. Let me erase all the numbers we have written.
So silly. Stop. No, so silly. Not to me. It looks like it's all over your desk.
I know it. All right. Let's look up here for the row of the star. Do you see your star? Everybody get to the star. Are you on the star?
Yes.
All right, good. Help me count everybody. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is 25 because it has a 2 and a 5. 25. Now remember, you make yours fit on the line better because my board's not letting me fit great on the line. I'll wait on you just a second. But just a quick second. I want to see if you can do the row with the flower by yourself. Everybody do the flower by yourself, and then we'll see what we got. Shh, not your voices. Do the flower. When you're finished with the flower, touch your nose. I'm not telling you just. When you're through with the row of the flower, touch your nose. Alrighty, I'm going to do it, and then I want y'all, I'm going to say it out loud, and I'm going to do it. Y'all tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong when I get finished, okay? Give me a thumbs up if I did good. Give me a thumbs down if I did not do so good. All right?
Okay.
All right, let's see. I've got...
No.
Oh, I see thumbs downs. What did I do wrong? Let me erase it. What did I do wrong?
You did the wrong numbers.
Okay. Help me count then, Wes. Wes is going to help me count.
10, 20, 21, 22, 23.
Is this 23?
Yes.
All right. So that means I write a 23 with a 2 and a 5, right?
No.
Okay. I write a 23 with a 2 and a, let's see, 23. Oh, it's going to be 3. 23. Did I do that right?
Yes.
Oh, good. All right. You may flip your page. We'll get done.
This is funny. The board is silly. The board is silly. It's a really board.
All right. We're going to do something a little bit different on the back. It's kind of the same thing.
Are you going to erase that?
I surely am.
Yeah.
All right, now listen. In order for you to understand what we're going to do on the back, your lips need to be zipped. If you're listening, it won't be confusing. But if you're not listening, it's going to make your brain go. Okay? Yes. So what are you going to turn on? What are you going to turn on?
Listening ears.
Yes. What is your mouth going to do?
Zip it.
Starting right now.
Zip it.
Good job. Now, we know how to count regularly. We know how to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, don't we? We know how to do that. I'm going to show you what they say is a quicker way to count. Watch this. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 10. I'm going to circle 10. And then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's 10 more. I'm going to circle 10 more.
Well.
No. Shh. So look, I have one left over. That's not enough for another 10 group, is it? So now I can count them. I can say 10, 20, 21. And then I would write 21. Go ahead and do that row right there. Circle your first group of 10, then circle your second, James. Circle your second group of 10.
Do we do it all by ourselves?
No, just that one. Because this is a little bit different, so that's why we're not going to do this one by ourselves. If it would be more of the front page, then yes, I would let you do it. But this is a little bit different.
Can you do that thing that
Can you zip?
know?
Remember what we talked about zipping and listening? Yes, ma'am, you have a question? Can you wait till this is over, or do you really have to go right now? Go quick. Let's look at the row with the heart. We have some sand buckets. What we're going to do, we're going to look for groups of 10 and circle those. So let's count to 10. And you know what might be a good idea for you? Get your pencil and touch them and make a dot as you're counting so you won't get lost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I stopped because that's a group of 10, and I'm going to circle it. Did y'all do that part?
Yes, ma'am.
I really need your mouth closed, sir. That's 3. Did you circle your first group of 10?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
I'm talking to West. There you go. Now, there's a whole lot more buckets. It looks like there might be 10 more buckets. Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is another group of 10 buckets, so I'm going to circle those. But after that, does it look like I have 10 more buckets to circle? No, so I'm not even going to worry about trying to get another group of 10, am I? When you have your buckets circled that you need, touch your nose. Good. So look right here. How many do we have in our first circle? 10, 20, 20.
22.
Good. And then you're going to write 22. James, did you write 22? Does that kind of make sense a little bit? Okay. Here comes the clover. Are we all ready for the clover?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Again, we have to count groups of 10. But these are kind of all over the place. We're going to have to count carefully. Let's watch. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that means I have to come down here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Watch how I circle this group. It's not in a straight line, but we still have 10, so watch. I'm going to circle them carefully like this and go down. That's where I stopped. So I'm going to circle that. You see how I didn't have a straight circle? I didn't have a straight circle, but do I still have 10 in my group? Yes. McKinley, do I still have 10 in my group? I do. There's a lot more. Do you think I still have 10 more? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do have 10 more. So watch what I can do. I can draw a little line off of that and circle my group. Mm-mm. Richard, how many do I have here? Don't count them all. We've already counted them all. I have, what's in my first group? 10. What's in my second group?
20.
Good. We did not have any left over. So we have 20. Do it. No, sir, James, we're on the purple seashells. There we go. Yep. We're almost done, guys. I know this is a lot. You're doing good.
But do I write 22?
No, because look, we have 10, 20. We only have 20 in this group, so we don't.
So we do a 2 and a 0.
Yes, sir. Almost done, guys. Are y'all ready for the next one?
No.
I'll give you one quick second. I'll give you a second. Addie, do you have a question, or do you just want to help me?
I want to look off my jacket.
You can do that, baby. You don't have to ask that. You can do it. All right, here comes the next one, the row with the butterfly. Again, these are not all in a nice, neat row, are they? But is it still going to be okay to circle 10?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's watch. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look right there. There's one group. You think we can get another group of 10? I think so. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We surely did get another group of 10. But is that going to be enough to make a group of 10 right here?
No.
it's not. So, let's count. We have 10, 20, 20.
25.
Look at that, 25. Uh-oh, my board's starting to mess up again.
Give us some more coffee.
I might have to. And after that, I want you to do the row with the star by yourself. Go ahead and do the row with the star. All right. While y'all are finishing up, I'm going to see what I can do on the row with a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's a group of 10. That's a crazy group of 10, but that's a group of 10. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's another group of 10. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I have groups, I have 10. Help me count. 10. Well, I haven't heard you say 10 yet, Gooses. 10. Then what comes next? And then 20.
1, 2, 23, 24.
Yes, 24. Good job. All right, I'm going to let y'all stop. And it's okay if you're not done, but we're going to stop the video. So look, y'all tell all your friends bye.